We have the 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This vehicle has done just under 48,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, navigation, CarPlay and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, you can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that it has a full leather, black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.